Good morning, family. This is Linda, and today is Monday morning. So I'm sitting a distance from this bird feeder. I'm just watching these birds enjoy their breakfast. Yeah. But I want to thank everyone that came out to the live last night. I had a great time. I shared seeds and we talked about our fall garden. Yes. But uh, this morning, I don't know the temperature, but look, it feels amazing out here. Just amazing. But in today's video, I want to share with you all, I'm going to share my breakfast, my lunch. We have broccoli rabe and shrimp. Yeah, baby. Also, I'm going to share my fuyu persimmons that I did get from Mr. George. They were delicious. I think I have about 3 left now. Yeah. But I hope you enjoy your stay here with me today. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful Monday, okay? But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's eat, y'all. Good morning, family. So y'all see I got my food. I started with 7 and now I have 4. But that's my breakfast this morning. I have some coffee. Yeah. I have some biscuits, turkey sausage, grapes, and of course, I got that food, y'all. It's beautiful. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I have some honey for these biscuits, y'all. I am so hungry. So, yeah, it's just a hungry day, y'all. It's hungry. Mm-hmm. Mm. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Mm. Mm-mm. All right. Mm. Oh, that's so good. This is one of 2 of the biggest plants I have in my garden. This plant is sitting in a 17-gallon container by herself. Now, yes, she do have onions, garlics, and leeks with her, but there is no other brassica but her. I want to thank my nephew Chris over there from Back to Our Roots Homestead, the king of the brassicas. Yeah. So he did give me some little tweaks, so I thank you, man. I thank you, my nephew. Yes, but I am amazed by this plant. And listen, she's not all fully grown up yet. She's still a baby. Let's wait and see what she looks like when she's all grown up and what she really brings to the table. Mm-hmm. But she is absolutely amazing, and I'm thrilled to have her in my garden. Yeah. She is very, very healthy. But y'all know I hit her up good with that 511. And she loves it. She love it. But that's her, y'all. Big girl. Big girl. This is Tetsoy. It's Tetsoy right here. See that? It's Tetsoy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That was good. That's all right. It's early morning. And these guys. Mm. 100-gallon grow bag. 1,000 head Kales. That's what this is. This is the second largest Brassica in my garden. She's amazing. Now, I have harvested from her, but it doesn't look like it, right? It's 1,000 head Kales, and they're coming over in this grow bag. This one is a Black Magic. This is a Black Magic Kale. It's really big, really tall in there. That's her. My beans, broccoli rabe, Swiss chard, and others. Broccoli rabe. She's all the way across the darn thing. So I want to share this Black Magic Kale. So this is Black Magic Kale. She's a little softer and different from lacinato kale. Yeah, lacinato kale is more harder and leathery than this kale. This is Black Magic. Yeah, I think it's from Johnny Seed Company. Yeah, it's really good. I have another plant here. And I have another plant here. She's really tall, hanging out with some zinnias. So, yeah, the sun is out today, which is really cool.
Yeah,
so that's good.
We're getting closer to the bridge.
Okay.
And that is the Crescent City Bridge.
Yeah.
Crescent City Connection.
Yeah.
This is where I walk at sometimes, y'all. And I want to show my mama.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah. So she be up here by. You can't see the bridge at. Well, maybe you can, but that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's 4,000 steps from where I park at. And it's 4,000 steps back. So a total of 8,000 steps. That's like 4 miles. And that's what I do.
And you're done, huh?
And I'm done.
Yeah. And there, behind these trees, is the Mississippi River.
And across is the city.
City.
I gotta get to a place where it's open.
Yeah, so we can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see the Superdome. You can see one Shell Square building.
Yeah.
Yeah. We out here.
Yes.
We out here today.
Yeah, but I look, y'all. I'm not walking all the way up to that bridge.
We out here today.
We ain't doing 8,000
Yeah,
today.
we out here.
No.
Yeah.
No.
We gotta get our walk on. You understand?
Baby. No. I ain't doing
It's
this.
good.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Get the blood pumping.
Yeah. So that's the bridge right there,
Yeah.
y'all. Yeah.
All right, so we're going that. Oh.
Go ahead.
That white thing.
Yeah.
It's halfway. So
We going halfway
we're going halfway.
and we gonna turn around, y'all.
And we're gonna go halfway back. We're gonna get back to the car.
Yeah, cause All right, guys. I done did how many steps, Jody?
Just about 3,000.
3,000 steps. Yeah.
You wanna go right quick again?
No. Matter of fact, hell no to the no.
Hell to the no.
Yeah, baby. Yes. Oh. Yeah, that was something good.
It's cool. I'm gonna come all kind of ways. No. All right, do something. Yeah, that's cute. Hey. Now I'm gonna come close so I can see your face good. All right, now do something. That's cute. All right.
We're about to go.
Yep.
It's our view. As my friend D would say, enjoy your view, baby. Enjoy your view. That's the city of New Orleans. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. All right, guys. So this is my shrimp and broccoli rabe. That's what that is. So if you was with me on one of the videos that I just did, I harvest some broccoli rabe, and that is the broccoli rabe. I had two of them that was ready, and so baby, you know, just these shrimp and stuff and things and stuff is just wonderful. So if you've been around, you know I love shrimp. I love vegetables, and so let's hook them up. I have some cheese and bread. This is an orange cold drink. Let me taste this baby, y'all. Let's taste it. Oh my. So the broccoli rabe, and I cut up the stems too because they say the stems is good. So hey, it does have like a mustard green flavor. My family, this is so good. So good, y'all. And of course, that butter, y'all. Oh, it's hot. All right, family. I'm gonna go. Yeah, because I need to get deep into this thing. It is so good. So good. If you're growing some broccoli rabe, try stir fry it. See how you like it. All right. Later, y'all.